Okay. Hey, so I'm back at it. PlanDoers, your wealthier plan. And today's topic, I want to get into never settle for less. Like, as soon as I'm talking about this, I'm talking about never settle for less. I mean, like, accepting that condition within your mind and heart. Because it's like a lot of times, people, they accept this condition, right? But they're not self-determined about it. It's like I never accept the condition because things, they gradually change from time to time. As soon as you accept that condition, something bad happens. And why is that? Because things change, often at times. Now, I can understand what people, they say, no, this is a quote. I know, you could say that, God worked through people, but it's not the end, it's just the beginning. You know what I'm saying? It's not the end, it's just the beginning. So people don't understand, they gotta put it in their framework. You gotta understand it's knowledge. Knowledge is power. So like a lot of times, we really think we can't make it and a blessing comes through. That's what I'm trying to tell you right now. Don't ever settle for less. Because as soon as that happens, towers, they start falling apart, you know what I'm saying? Bricks start coming apart. So you just gotta maintain through it all. Person, he maintain through it all, he'll get far. That's why you gotta humble yourself, because you maintain who you are. All obstacles, they come to only distract you from your goal. What you trying to reach in life. That's the only thing that is separating from you from the truth. You know what I'm saying? A lie from the truth is that you got a place to reach. You got the heights to reach. You got the towers, but you ain't got the tools yet. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got the resources. So that's why, majority of us, we give up or we try to, find an easy route. You know what I'm saying? Not technically give up, but try to take the easier route. The easier route, it don't get you far. With these people, me, I'm persistent. As soon as something breaks me down, I could be in a shelter of all I care. I could be here, there. I'm still gonna be grinding. I'm still gonna be going hard. I'm still gonna have my work ethics route because I know these skills that I can manifest in. These are talent God gave me. You know what I'm saying? Talent that God gave you as a person. A person of interest. So it's you chasing something for a reason, and then everything else, it falls back on you because the effect you left. You know what I'm saying? The impact that you left. Was it? You gotta ask your question. You gotta ask yourself sometimes. Was it worth it, or was it something that you felt like you could have did more? So you gotta be quiet sometimes. You gotta be like, damn, okay, damn, I could really, I should never, that's really never settle for less. Cause I go to these places, I go to these jobs, but do I really love it? You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. Do you really love where you at? Do you really admire where you at? Is this something that you could change on? If it's inner working, shit, you could change that. Just read books for yourself and then you'll see. You're gonna be blind to this shit. But me, personally, that's what I'm trying to tell you right now, is that this is only the beginning. This is not the end. But a lot of stuff, a lot of troubles that happen in this world, you don't think humans themselves recreate problems? We recreate problems for ourselves because how we behave. It has nothing to do with what's going on outside. You feel what I'm saying? It's all about what goes on inside. So all these stuff that are changing within the seasons, they're changing through the seasons. You can only reflect and then take off with it. Take off, don't look back. Shit, don't look back. There'll be a sun shining on you, that's the only thing. So you look back, And it should only make you better. As a human being, it should only make you better. Should be no regrets, no remorse. You talking about anything bad in the past, hey, you reaping what you sow at the end. Like, that's what I'm saying, like, never settle for less. I mean, point blank period is that you should be defining your purpose right now. You should define what it is that you actually have an interest for wholeheartedly, you know what I'm saying? So like wholeheartedly, that's what I'm saying. You ain't gonna look back from it. You're gonna be like, okay, dang, I'm driving a wheel for real. Like, the power's at your hands. Anybody else gotta say it, forget them. It's like, the brain forgets itself already. It forgets stuff itself. So it's like, what you got to lose at the end? You got nothing but the gain. You ain't got nothing to lose. That's why I instilled in myself. I'm like, Fraser, you got nothing to lose. You got all to gain. I'm coming. You know what I'm saying? That's how I come though. But I don't know about you. That's up to you. That's up to you at the end. So, you know what I'm saying? It been a while. I'm gonna stay updated though. So y'all gotta check me out. You know what I'm saying? You know, all I say is, you know, hit the like, subscribe, comment if you like, and do whatever you please. You know what I'm saying? Cause time is short. You know, life is short. You know, this stuff is limited, so limited access. Yeah, just stay strong and you'll make it. Alright, so I'm off today. Y'all go check me out another time.